For our next foldable, we have the metric units and tools. It looks just like this, and there's also this second sheet that goes with it, metric units and tools. Okay, you're going to need those 2 pages, your notebook, some glue, and scissors, of course. So you're going to open up your notebook to the next available page in the Unit 1 Science Skills section. So if we flip to our next available page, it should be right after our observation and inference pocket activity and our observation and inference pedal activity. So flip to the next page for me. We are going to, as always, leave this page blank for our additional notes, and we're going to cut out and glue our foldable activity onto the other page here. So first things first, as we have been doing, you're going to cut out along the outline here. Okay, this one doesn't have a big thick bold line to cut along, so you're just going to cut along the outside, leaving this chart intact. So go ahead and do that for me, please. Okay, so once you have that cut out, it'll look just like this. What we're going to do is, of course, leave space for a title at the top, and you're just going to put glue on the whole back side, and then we're going to flip it over and glue it into our notebooks. Okay, so leaving space for a title along the margin, I glue that flat down into my notebook. Okay. At the top, we're going to add our title. Okay, metric units and tools works for me. And then the second part of this is to cut out, of course, the units and tools. So for this one, we're going to cut out each box individually so that they're individual cards. So take a moment and do that, please. Okay. Once you have that done, you'll have these individual cards all separate from each other. I'm going to recommend that you paper clip them together or put them together in some way and put them right in the spine of your notebook and close it up so that you make sure you have them with you for class tomorrow. For our next foldable, we actually have 2. We have the triple beam balance practice and we have the graduated cylinder practice, and they look like this. So make sure you have both of those with you when completing this video. So we need those 2 foldable activities. We need our notebook opened up to our next page, so that's going to be after our metric units and tools. We need our glue and we need our scissors, of course. Okay, so we're going to start with the triple beam balance practice. It's the one that looks like this. So make sure you have that one in front of you. As always, we're going to leave a page blank for our additional notes, and we're going to be gluing on this side of the page here. So just like you've been doing with all of these for Unit 1 Science Skills, we're going to be cutting out along that thick, bold black line. Okay, so we will have 2 separate pieces when we're done. Okay, you're cutting along this bold line here and this bold line here. So you'll have 2 different rectangles when you're done. So take a moment and do that for me, please. Okay, so once you're done cutting out, you will have 2 separate rectangles here. The first one is going to be the one that has the grams missing, where you'll be reading the grams. And then the second one has the one with the mass written in for you on there. Okay, so what we're going to do is, like we've been doing, we're going to fold along our dotted lines, creating kind of like an accordion. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to, starting at the bottom, you're going to fold up along that dotted line, then you're going to fold back along that dotted line, then we're going to fold up along that dotted line again. So it looks like an accordion, just like that. Okay, so we're going to take our second one, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to fold up along our dotted line. And if it helps you, you can flip it over to fold back along that dotted line. And then fold up along the dotted line again. Okay, creating that nice accordion fold. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue, and on the back, we're going to put our glue along the back here. Okay, and we're going to glue these down next to each other, side by side, at the very top of the page. So I've labeled it Triple Beam Balance Practice, and what you're going to do is you're going to line this up right along the top. Okay, it's going to be over that margin there. That's okay. So that first one goes down, that's the one without the mass written in. And then you're going to take your second accordion folded piece of paper, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put the glue on the back, and you're going to place it down next to that first one. Now, if you're like me and yours overhangs the side of your notebook, that's okay. If you'd like to adjust it, move it over, that's fine as well. Okay, but you should have two accordion folds next to each other. We're going to use this bottom space for some notes, so make sure you leave this bottom space blank. I'm going to label each one of these just so that we know what we're looking at. Okay, so the first one is going to be reading a triple beam balance. And the second one is going to be triple beam balance practice. Okay, again, make sure you're leaving the bottom half of that page blank because we are going to be filling in some triple beam balance notes on there as well. Okay, for the second half of this video, we're going to be doing the graduated cylinder practice. Okay, so that's the page that looks like this. So we're going to start off by turning the page in our notebook, opening it up to a nice clean page, as always leaving that one side blank, and we're going to be gluing on the other side of the page here. So we're going to take our graduated cylinder practice page, and just like everything else, we're going to cut out along that bold black line on the outside of the foldable itself. So go ahead and take a moment and cut out the graduated cylinder practice sheet. Just like before, when we're finished, we'll have this kind of big rectangle cut out. Okay, when you did the triple beam balance, it was cut into two. This one's not, it's just one, but it is done the same way. So we have those dashed lines for folding. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that accordion fold again, folding up on the first one. If you'd like to flip it over to fold it back, and then folding up again. Okay, and then you'll have your nice accordion fold there. Okay, we are going to flip over and we're going to put our glue on the back of this top one. And we're going to glue that right into the top of our notebooks. Okay, you can see that I've labeled it graduated cylinder practice. You can go ahead and do that as well. And we're going to glue that right up on top there. Now, the reason that we're doing that is we are going to be taking notes on the bottom half of the page, just like we did for the triple beam balance. So you want to make sure that you don't just glue this flat into your notebook. Okay, make sure that you're folding it and you're gluing it in properly. Okay, on the back of the foldable, you can again write graduated cylinder practice, just so you know what you're looking at. Okay, we are going to be taking notes down here, so make sure that you don't glue anything on the bottom half of the page. As always, make sure that you clean up after yourself, make sure all your scraps make it into the trash, and I will see you in class.